Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is Stillalearner. So today in this video we are going to discuss third class mathematics second chapter, which is numbers, entire workbook answers. Okay, so we'll see each worksheet answers one by one. But before that, let me tell you one thing guys. I have already uploaded your third class English all lessons workbook answers, and at the same time third class English EVS all lessons workbook answers I have uploaded. Go and check it out, the playlist on my channel. Okay, and first to lesson mathematics workbook answer also I have uploaded. Go and check it out, but that first enter it in your workbook. And now we are going to see the second chapter. Okay guys, got it? Let's see. So here in the worksheet number 1, here we have given the subtopic numbers. Okay, so let's see here in the first one given reading, writing and comparing 3 digits. Okay, here one box is given in which we have 3 digit numbers in each and every block. Okay, now what we have to do here, below that we have given some questions which we need to answer by seeing this table. Okay, so let's see in the above table, can you find, first question is a number between 100 and 150. So 127 is the only number lies between 100 and 150. If you have doubt, just check it out the table. Okay. Now we'll move to the second question, which is a number between 900 and 1000. So answer is 951. 951 is the only number between 900 and 1000. Third question, a number smaller than 100 is 95. Okay, only 95 is smaller than 100 from the table. Next, fourth question, a number between 300 and 400. Okay, so answer is 326 is the number lies between 300 and 400. Next, fifth question, a number that has 6 tens. Okay, means a number in which 6 stands in tens place. Okay, so that number is 162, where 6 is in tens place. Got it? Next, sixth question, a number that has 5 ones means 5 stands in ones place. So that number is 95, where 5 is in ones place. Got it guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Here also the subtopic is numbers itself. Okay, let's see first one. Color the numbers as directed. Okay, here one box is given, okay, in which we have some numbers. Okay, but here we have given some rule. 1 digit is for green color, 2 digit is for red color, 3 digit is for blue color and 4 digit is for brown color. Okay, so now what we have to do, if it is 2 digit number, suppose if it is 2 digit number, then we have to write it down red there, means or else you can color it with red color. In this way you have to do the same. So 18 is a 2 digit number, so what color we have to put? Red color. That's why I have written red there, or else you can just color it with your color pencil red. Okay, next number is 9, which is 1 digit number. So what color we have to put? We have to put the green color. Okay, next number is 1000, which is 4 digit number. So brown is the color, you have to put it there. Okay, next digit is 5, which is single digit, 1 digit number. That's why write it down G, or else color it with green color. Okay, next number is 4, which is again single digit number. That's why write down G, green color. Next number is 1250, which are 4 digit number. So write it down brown, BR. Okay, next 3 digit number 457. That's why BL, means blue. Next 92 is 2 digit number. That's why red color is correct answer. Next 4 digit number is 1925. So that's why brown color is the answer. Next 990, which is 3 digit number, so blue color. Next number is 8, single digit number. That's why green color, G. Next 3 digit number 132. That's why blue color. Next 250, again 3 digit number. That's why blue. Next 55, 2 digit number. That's why red. Next 4 digit number 1124. That's why brown color. Next 2 digit number is given 23. That's why red color. Got it, guys? Not to swipe up and down, that's why I have written separately 1 digit for green, 2 digits for red, 3 digit for blue and 4 digit for brown. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. Let's see. Here given, write the missing numbers in the number chart. Okay, one box is given where we have given some numbers. Okay, some numbers are missing there, and that one we have to write it down. So in the first row, it start with 1111, next number is 1112, next 1113, like that up to 1120. So the missing numbers between these are, we all know. Okay, that's why write it down. 1114, 1115, 1116, 1117, 1118, 1119, like that up to 1160. You have to continuously write it down. Okay, so please write down carefully. If you have doubt, just pause the video and enter it. Okay, now we'll move to the third question, which is write the numbers between 1200 and 1230 in an order. Okay, so here the question is, we are asking to write down the numbers starting from 1200 to end with 1230. Okay, let's write it down. 1200, 1201, 1202, 1203, 1204, 1205, 1206, or else you can say 1207, 1208, 1209, 1210, like that up to 1230. Got it, guys? It's very simple. Just write it down, do practice, then it will very best for you. Got it? Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, which is, so fourth question is fill in the blanks. Let's see. Here we have given 6 blanks, right? Let's see 10 ones. We can 10 ones is 10. Second one is 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. Next 9 tens. 9 tens is 90. Next 10 tens 100. Next 20 tens 200. Next 10 hundreds means 10 into 10. Our answer is 1000. Okay, got it? It's nothing but multiplication. Okay. Okay, please write it down. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 3. Okay guys, so let's see, here the subtopic is numbers. Okay, so first Roman is write the numbers as directed. Okay, here one box is given clearly, very neatly, okay, in which we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns. Okay, so first column is serial number, second columns are given blocks. Okay, then next column is thousands, next hundreds, next tens, next ones, and next the entire number. Okay, so one example is given. Let's see, guys. So this block, first block is represent as thousands, next square is represent as hundreds, then this sticks is represents as tens, and these dots, small dots, are represent as ones. Okay, now we have to see it and write it down, how many blocks and how many that given figures are there. That one we have to count and write it down in the box separately under thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. After that we have to write down the entire number in the last column. Okay, let's see this. If you observe carefully, here we have given only one block. Okay, next square is 1. Next there are 2 sticks, and next we have how many dots? 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 dots. Okay, so the exact number is 1128, means 1128, but they have given wrong. Please strike it off and write it down correctly. Okay, now we'll move to the second one, which is here 2 blocks are given. Okay, that's why I write down 2 under 1000. Next 6 cubes are given, 6 squares are given, that's why I write down 6. Then again 6 sticks are given, write down 6. Then 4 dots are given, write down 4. So the entire number is, means the given number is 2664. Okay, let's see third one. Here 4 blocks are given, write down 4. 2 squares are given, write down 2. Next 1 stick is given, that's why write down 1. We don't have any dots there, means yellow dots, that's why write it down 0. So the number is 4210. Next fourth one is 1 block, 5 squares, No sticks, that's why write down 0. Then 7 dots, write down 7. So the number is 1507. Next, fifth one, 3 blocks, no squares, that's why write down 0. No sticks, that's why write down 0. Then 7 dots. Total number is 3007. Next, 2 blocks and 2 squares. Okay, that's why write it down. 2200 means 2200. Okay, now we'll move to the fourth worksheet. Here the subtopic is small formation of 4-digit number. Okay, so here we all know about abacus, right? So we all know, and we know how to do it also. So here we have given abacus picture in which we have beads. Okay, so by counting the beads we have to write it down the correct answer here. Okay, so first question is select the spike abacus to the number 5102. Okay, if you see carefully among the three pictures, C is the correct answer. Okay, so first sticks represent to ones, next stick represent to tens, then next one represent 100, and fourth represent thousand. So here we have 4 beads in the thousands place, 1 bead in hundreds place, then no beads in tens place, and two beads in ones place. So correct answer is C, which is 5102. Let's see the second question. Draw the beads on the following spike abacus for number given below. Here we have given 4 abacus. For each abacus there is a number. Okay, so now what we have to do? According to the given number, we need to add the beads of same color and write it down the given number there. Okay, so first number is 5005. Okay, so in the first bead you have to, in the first strike you have to put a green bead which is of 5. That's why I write it on 5005. In the next abacus you have to put one each green and rose bead, so that it will become 5055. Next, third one, you have to place only rose bead 1 in the tens place, so that it will become 5050. Next, in the fourth abacus you have to place 1 each in hundreds place, tens place, and ones place, so that it will become 5555. Got it, guys? Now we'll see the third question, which is observe the following spike abacus and write the numbers in the given boxes. Okay, here we have given 4 different spike abacus. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to count each bead in each rod and write it down the number. Okay, so if you see the first abacus, there we have 5246. Next abacus, count it down each and every bit, then only you will get the correct answer. Okay, so second answer is 6565. Okay, next third one is 9314. Next fourth one, 2708. Okay, there are no beads in tens rod. Okay, that's why 2708. Now we'll see the fourth Roman, which is write the names of the numbers. Okay, here some numbers are given. What we have to do, we have to write it down in words. Okay, let's see. First number is 6984. Please write it down neatly without any spelling mistake. Next number is 5489. Okay, next third number is 8745. Okay, please write it down neatly, at the same time write down correct. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Okay, here the subtopic is 4-digit number. Okay, let's see first Roman. Observe the following pictures and write down the price of things in words. Okay, here we have given 4 different pictures. For each and every picture there are the price tag for each and every picture. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down the given amount in a words form. Okay, in a words. Let's see first dining table cost is 1986. So write it down 1986. Next, bicycle amount is 2350. Next, gas stove price is 5000. Write it down 5000. Okay, next we have given what we call it, TPI, right? So its cost is 80,925. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the second Roman, which is write the numbers and number names by observing beads on the abacus. Okay, here we have given two abacus. Now what we have to do, we have to count the beads in each and every rod and write it down the number, and at the same time we have to write it in words form. Okay, let's see. In first abacus we have 3,534. Okay, write it down in numbers, 3,534. Okay, now we'll see the second abacus, in which we have 6 beads in thousands bar, means thousands rod, no beads in hundreds, 1 bead in tens rod, and 5 beads in ones rod. So the number is 6,015. Write down in words 6,015. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is, sorry, same worksheet, but third Roman, which is read the number names and write in numbers. Okay, here we have given the numbers in a word form. Okay, in an expanded form. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down in number form. Okay, so first number is 2,536. Write down 2536. Next number is 4,850. Write down 4850. Next number is 6,209. Write down 6209. Let's see the next number, which is 8,300. So write it down 8300. Okay, 8300. Next number is 9,009. So write it down 9009. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. Here the subtopic is numbers. Okay, let's see first Roman. Read and write 4-digit number. Okay, here we have given one box in which we have 5 columns: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and then the entire number, and read as means the given number we have to write it down in words. Okay, let's see one example is given. In thousands column we have given 2, hundreds column given 3, tens column given 4, ones column given 5. So the entire number is 2,345. Write down that number in words, 2,345. So in the same way we have to write it down for the given numbers. So next number is 6510. So the number is 6,510. Write down 6,510. Okay, next number is 5600, which means 5,600. Write down 5,600. Next number is 3873. So the number is 3,878. Write down 3,878. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next number, which is 4501, which means 4,501. Write it down 4,501. Okay, let's move on to the second Roman, which is find the place value of each of the digits in the given numbers. Okay, here we have to find out the place value of the given digit. So one example is given. Let's see, 8,764 is the number. So place value of 8 is 8,000. Okay, place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 6 is 6 tens. Place value of 4 is 4 ones. Okay, in the same way we have to write it down the exact number. 700 means 700, 6 tens means 60, 4 ones means 4. Got it, guys? I hope you understood this. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 3. Here choose the correct answers given. So let's see first one. Which of the following number has 9 thousands? Okay, if you observe carefully, option C is the correct one. So 9,250. So option is C. Next, second question. What is the place value of 5 in 3,567? If you observe 3,567, place value of 5 is in hundreds place. That's why 500. So correct option is B, 500. Okay, let's see fourth question. Put a circle for the number with dash. So in this column again we have sub questions. Let's see each and everything and give the correct answer for that. So first question is 7 in thousands place. If you observe given three numbers there, we have 7 in thousands place is the third number. Okay, that's why circle 7563. So second question is 5 is in ones place. If you observe the three numbers where 5 is in ones place is the last number, that is 1005, right? Circle 1005. Next third question, 0 in tens place. If you observe 0 in tens place, it's the second number, means middle number. Okay, so 5407, circle that number. Next fourth question is 3 in hundreds place. If you observe carefully all the three numbers given there, so the correct answer where 3 is in hundreds place is the second number, 5329. Understood, guys? So in this way we have to keenly observe and give the answer. Okay, don't haste while writing, while giving the answers. Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. So here the subtopic is expanded form and short form. Okay, so first Roman is match the following given. Here one column is expanded form and another column is shortened form. Okay, expanded form means we just expand the given numbers by applying 0. Okay, where short form number is the exact number, means the entire number. So first one is 4000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 3 is 4263. Match it correctly. Next 8000 plus 400 plus 5 is 8405, which is D. Match it correctly. Next third one, 9000 plus 30 means 9030. Match correctly. Next 2000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 6. So match it correctly, 2816. Okay guys, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is write each of the following in expanded form as shown below. Okay, so one example is given. Let's see. 1034 can be expanded as 1000 plus 0 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. Means if you uh, add all these one, means 1000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 4, it will give the answer as 1034. So in the same way we have to write it down for the given two numbers. So next number is 3508. Okay, write down 3000 plus 500 plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. So if you add all 3000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 8, you will get 3508. Let's see the third one, which is 5000 plus 600 plus 7 tens plus 0 ones. So if we add it, 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 0, it will give 5670. Got it? Now we'll see the third question, which is write the following numbers in short form. Okay, here expanded form is given. Now we have to write it down in short form. Let's see. First one is 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 1111. Okay, let's see second one. 2000 plus 60 plus 4 is equal to 2064. Next third one, 5000 plus 4 equal to 5004. Okay guys, let's see fourth Roman, which is choose the correct answers. First one, 5000 plus 50 is equal to 5050. So answer is A. Second question, the expanded form of 3333 is D. We can write it as 3000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. So answer is D. Understood guys? Okay, if you didn't understand, please just go back a little minutes or little seconds back and listen to it once again. Inshallah, you will get this. Okay, now we'll move to the next row or next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. Here the topic is comparison of the numbers. Okay, let's see first Roman. Circle the large number in each pair of the following. Okay, here we have given some numbers, means two numbers in each and every line. There what we have to do, we have to circle the largest number among both. Okay, so in the first one, 456 is larger than 372. Next, 2400 is bigger than 1500. Next, 1000 is the largest number when compared to 100. Okay, next fourth one, 456 is less than 654. That's why circle 654. Next, 2540 is the largest number when compared to 2504. Next number is 1100 is bigger than 1001. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the second Roman, which is compare the numbers and insert appropriate symbol less than or greater than or equal to in the given boxes below. Okay, let's see. First one is 211 less than 221. Next, second one, 423 is less than 544. Next, third one, 452 is greater than 326. Next one, 2932 less than 2964. Next one, 3192 bigger than 3082. Last one, 3227 less than 3228. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the third Roman, which is observe the following figures. Write the numbers according to pictures and use the proper symbol. Okay, here we have given some pictures here, blocks and squares. Okay, that we have to count it and write it down in the given below box, and then we have to compare it. If it is equal to, then we have to write it down equal. If it is greater than, then we have to put greater symbol. If it is less than, then we have to put smaller symbol, means less than symbol. Let's see this. We all know that green symbol is for 1000 and this square orange symbol is for 100. In the previous sums we have discussed this. So write it down. Two blocks means 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. Okay, write down 2000, and there 2000 plus 100 plus 100 means 2200. So 2000 less than 2200. Okay, got it? Next one, three blocks. Okay, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 means 3000, which is greater than here 1000 plus 100, 1100. Okay, 3000 greater than 1100. Third one, three blocks means 3000 equal to, here also three blocks, 3000. So equal to symbol is the correct answer. I hope you understood, guys. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 9. Here the subtopic is comparison of the numbers. Okay, let's see. Here also we have given two numbers, and then in the middle we have given a box where we have to put an appropriate symbol. If it is greater than, then put greater than symbol. If it is less than, then put less than symbol. If it is equal to, then put equal to symbol. Okay, let's see. First number is 2010 greater than 2001. Second one, 254 less than 548. Next, 654 greater than 457. Next, 908 greater than 809. Next, 758 less than 1477. Next, 2187 less than 2817. Next number, 3251 is less than 3452. Next number, 5454 less than 6385. Next number, 5526 is less than 5562. Got it? Let's see the second question, which is which one is a big number in 386 and 524? So absolutely 524 is the biggest number. Next, third question, how can you tell 4265 is more or less than 4365? Okay, just by seeing the number only we can easily say that 4265 is less than 4365. If you want, you just show the subtraction there. 4365 minus 4265, you will get 100. So 100 is the difference between both the numbers. So then 4365 is the biggest number. Okay. Now we'll move to the next fourth sum, which is Vijay has 4,500 and Kishore has 4,100. Who has more monies? Absolutely, Vijay has the more money. Okay, we'll show it by the symbol 4,500 greater than 4,100. So absolutely Vijay has more money. Understood, guys? So these are all very easy sums. Please try to understand. Now we'll see the fifth question, which is Sitaya could produce 2,000 bags of paddy, whereas Rangaya could produce 2,500 bags of paddy. Who produced less? Okay, now we have to show it who produced less. Sitaya or Ramaya. So 2000 bags is less than 2500 bags, means paddy bags. So of course Sitaya produced less paddy, okay, when compared to Rangaya. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 10. Here the subtopic is ascending and descending order. Okay, so let's see first Roman. We all know ascending order means from smaller to bigger, whereas descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay, let's see first Roman is arrange the following in descending order in the given boxes. Here some boxes are given. Now what we have to do, we have to arrange it in a descending order. If you observe carefully, the blocks are in a descending form itself, means bigger, smaller, 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 and then last smaller, like that. So biggest number is 5,900, then 5,655, then 5,596, then 5,500, then 5,432. In the same way, second one also we have to do in a descending order. So 7,590 is the biggest number, then 3,490, then 2,650. Next number is 2,395 and the last number is 1,999. Got it, guys? Let's see the second problem, which is arrange the following numbers in both ascending and descending order. Okay, here some numbers are given, means 5 numbers are given. Now what we have to do, we have to arrange it in an ascending order as well as in a descending order. Let's see. So first we'll see ascending order. So smallest number is 1050, then 2500, then 3250, then 7200. Last number means biggest number is 9700. Okay, in the same way we have to do descending order. So means bigger to smaller. So bigger number is 9700, then 7200, then 3250, then 2500, then 1050. Understood, guys? Let's see the third Roman. Here we have to do the comparison of number, means we have to put the symbol. If it is greater than, put greater than symbol. If it is less than, then put less than symbol. If it is equal, then put equal to symbol. Let's see this, guys. So first one is 3,860 less than 4,520 less than 5,050 less than 5,432 less than 6,214, means all smaller symbols. Okay, means less than symbol. Next second one, 9,420 greater than 8,536 greater than 7,422 greater than 7,322 greater than 5,500, means all greater than symbol. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 11. Here the subtopic is ascending and descending order again. Okay, let's see first question. Observe the following table and write names of the object in ascending and descending order. Okay, here one box is given in which we have 3 columns: serial number, name of the object, and price. Okay, now we have to see the object and its price. According to it, we have to give the answer for the given question. So first question is name of the objects in ascending order of prices. So first we'll see the prices. Television price is 9,500, fan price is 1,000, cot price is 1,250, and bicycle's price is 450. So according to these prices, we have to write the object in ascending order, means from smaller price to bigger price. So bicycle is the smaller price, So write down bicycle, then fan comes, then cot comes, then television. Okay, understood? Bicycle, fan, cot and television. Now let's move on to the second question, which is name of the objects in descending order price. Now we have to write it down in descending order, means from bigger to smaller. Okay, so first television comes, then cot, then fan and then bicycle. Understood? Let's see the second Roman, which is arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Here some numbers are given. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down in ascending form and descending form. Ascending means smaller to bigger and descending means bigger to smaller. Understood? Let's see, first one is ascending order 2135, then 2581, then 3698, then 4587, then 5879. Then descending order 5879, then 4587, then 3698, then 2581 and 2135. Okay, like this we have to do for the rest two problems. Okay, here also ascending order, write it down, descending order, write it down. Again I am telling you, ascending means from smaller to bigger, whereas descending means from bigger to smaller. Okay, don't get confused. Please try to write it down for please try to write it down the answer for these two sums. Here I am not reading it for you. Write it down and then check it out whether you have written correct or wrong. Okay, understood guys? So in this way you may improve yourself. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 12. Here the subtopic is numbers in words. Okay, right, we have to write it down, the numbers in word form. Okay, so let's see, first Roman is circle the following number in the chart given below and write their number names. Okay, first one is done for you. Here two columns are given in a table, one is number and then number name. So first number is 4867. You have to write it down in words, 4867, and at the same time you have to circle the number. Okay, they didn't circle it, I'll circle it for you. Please you also circle all the numbers. Okay, next number is 3202. Next number 4052. Next 7851. Then 3356. Understood guys? And now what we have to do, we have to circle the given numbers as well. As it is said in the question, circle the number. So here 7852. Here 1 is not there, just strike it off 2 and write it down 1. 7851 is the number, so circle it. Then 4867. And one more mistake they have done, they have circled the wrong number, so just strike it and circle the number 4012. Okay, next number is 3356, and the last number is 3202. Okay, these are the 5 numbers. Okay, please mark it carefully. Now we'll move to the second Roman, which is who am I? So here we have to guess the number and write it down according to the given questions. So first question is, my ones digit is 4. Write down 4 in ones digit. My tens digit is 5. Write down 5 in tens digit. If you combine both, then it will become 54. So who am I means I am a 2-digit number. Who am I? So answer is 54. Let's see the second question, which is my ones digit is 5. Write down 5 in ones digit. My tens digit is 2. Write down 2 in tens digit. My hundreds digit is 0. Write down 0 in hundreds digit. So I am the number 025 means 25. Understood guys? Now let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 13. Here the subtopic is writing numbers. So first Roman, first question. Write the numbers that has 6 tens, 3 ones, 7 hundreds and 4 thousands. Okay. So we have given thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So according to the question we have to write it down the correct number under the correct heading. So 1000 place is 4, 100 place is 7, tens place is 6 and ones place is 3. So the entire number is 4763. Write down in words also 4763. Next second question. Write any 10 4-digit numbers using the digits 2, 7, 8 and 3. Here 4 numbers are given, 4 digits are given 2, 7, 8, 3. By using this 4 digit, we have to make any 10 numbers by using this 4 digits. So let's see 8732, then 8723, then 8273, then 8372, then 8327, then 8237, then 7823, then 7832, then 7328. Okay, in this way you have to make. Let's see the third question, which is arrange the above numbers in both ascending and descending order. Okay, so the above numbers only we have to make ascending and descending form. Okay, let's see. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger, then descending order means from bigger to smaller. Okay, write it down. Here I didn't take all the 10 digits, all the 10 numbers. I have picked only 5 numbers. Okay. So let's move on to the fourth question, which is fill in the number chart with numbers in the order. Okay, here one box is given. It started from 5051 to 5100. So we have to write it down continuously, the responding number from 5051 to 5100 means 5051, 5052, 5053, 5054 and so on to 5100. Understood? So please do it, write it down correctly, then check your answers with my answer. Okay. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 14. Here the subtopic is smallest and largest number. Okay, let's see first one. Write largest and smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. Okay, here one box is given in which we have 3 columns, digits, then largest number, then smallest number. Okay, so by using the digit we have to make one largest number and one smallest number. How you will do it? By picking the biggest digit, you can make a largest number. By picking the smallest digit, you can make a smaller number. Right? So let's see. First one is 5431 is the largest number, whereas 1345 is the smallest number. Next, second one, 9321 biggest number, then 1239 smallest number. Then 7653 is the biggest number, then 3567 is the smallest number. Then 9860 is the biggest number, 6089 is the smallest number. Understood, guys? Let's see the second Roman, which is observe the following table and answer the following questions. The population of different village in Bukkapatnam Mandal as per 2011 census is shown below. Okay, here one box is given in which we have given name of the villages and population. Okay, here 4 villages are given from Bukkapatnam Mandal. Okay, as per 2011 census means from that time, on that time. Okay, so below that we have given some questions which we need to answer it correctly by seeing, means by observing the table carefully. Okay, let's see it, guys. So first question is, which is the most populated village in Bukkapatnam Mandal? So correct answer is Kota. Okay, next second one, which is the least populated village in Bukkapatnam Mandal? So answer is Krishnapatnam. Understood? Let's see the third question, which is identify the villages with a population of less than 4000. Please check it out the table. Which village has got the least less than 4000 people? So the answer is Kota and Marala. Okay, they both have got less than 4000. Okay, next fourth question. Agraharam population is near to this. Here choose the correct answers are given. So correct option is 3400, which is B. Okay, so this is the answers for this, guys. Now we'll move to the self-assessment. Okay, so let's see. First question is, write the following number names in numerals. Okay, here fill in the blanks are given in which we have given the numbers in word form. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down in a number form. Okay, let's see. First one is 3624. You can write it down as 3624. Next, second one, 6043. So you can write it as 6043. Next, third one, 4116. You can write it as 4116. Next, we'll see the fourth question, which is 7256. You can write it as 7256. Understood, guys? Now we'll move to the second Roman, which is write the place value of the underlined digit. Okay, here some numbers are given in which one digit is underlined in each number. So now what we have to do, we have to write down its place value, means in which place it stands. Okay, so first number is 6370, where 7 is the underlined digit, so 7 is in tens place. Okay, next second one, 7123, 1 is in hundred place. Next third one, 6380, where 8 is in tens place. Next fourth one, 7523, 5 is in hundreds place. Next fifth one, 7013, 7 is in thousand place. Next one, 2679, where 9 is in ones place. Then 6013, 6 is in thousand place. Then 2674, 4 is in ones place. Understood, guys? Now we'll see the third question, which is freedom fighters of India and their birth year. Okay, here one box is given in which we have two columns. One column is name of the freedom fighter and the second column is their birth year. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh, and their birth years are given. Now what we have to do, write the birth year of the freedom fighter in ascending and descending order. Okay, so you have to carefully observe the birth year of the freedom fighters, then you have to write it down their years in ascending and descending order. Understood, guys? Let's see the answer for this. We'll write the answer beginning with ascending order. Okay, so first year will be 1869, then 1889, then 1891, then 1901. Okay, then descending order 1901, then 1891, then 1889, and then 1869. Understood, guys? Okay, now we'll move to the next fourth question, which is write greater than, less than, equal to wherever is applicable. Here some numbers are given which we have to compare and put it down the symbols. Okay, so first one is 2400 is less than 4002. Next one, 423 is less than 7431. Next, 6730 equal to 6730. Next, 3330 is greater than 3303. Understood, guys? Now we'll move to the fifth Roman, which is match the following. Let's see it carefully and match it correctly. So first number is 4326. Its expanded form is 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. Second one. Next second one is 5207. Expanded form of this number is 5000 plus 200 plus 00 plus 7. Okay, which is D. Next third one, 8342. Its expanded form is 8000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. First one. Next last one is 8324. Expanded form is 8000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4, which is C. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the sixth question, which is make any 4-digit numbers using 2, 3, 6 and 8. Okay, by using 2, 3, 6 and 8 digits, we have to make any 4-digit numbers. Let's see. First one is 2368. Okay, next one is 2386. Next 3268. Next 3286. And last number is 6832. Understood, guys? Now we'll see the seventh question, which is observe the abacus and write the suitable number. So if you observe carefully the first abacus, guys, in the first rod means in the ones rod you have 3 beads, in the tens rod you have 2 beads, in the hundreds rods you have 7 beads, and in the thousands rod you have 4 beads. So the correct answer is 4728. Okay, let's see the second abacus. Here in the ones rod we have 2 beads, in the tens rod we have 4 beads, in the hundreds rod we have no beads, that means 0, and in the thousands rod we have 8 beads. So the correct answer is 8042. Okay guys, up to here your second lesson, which is number workbook answers, are finished. I hope guys you all understood this class well, and this video is very helpful for you. I think so, I really hope so. Okay, if you really find this video is helpful for you, so please hit the like button, share this video to your friends so that they may also write it down. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and check it out the playlist on my channel of English workbook answers and EVS workbook answers as well. Okay, thank you so much once again. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.